There, guys.
Oh, this is so much fun.
All right. Matt Penn right here, Edina, Missouri. Here we go. How about that, folks? 3:21:01. Taking his time here, hopefully he get her spooled up. Crosswired right there, Jimmy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. 3:19:10, Kevin Whitpool. Yeah, I think you're right. Open gate. Here we go. You gotta beat 3:21. How about that? That's a strong ride right there. 3:19.05. Jimmy? I think it is. I thought that little Jimmy was going to pull that was out here. Yeah, I did too. Look at the white smoke coming off them tires, Jim. Man, them things are probably spinning 80 miles an hour more, ain't they? They are eating. 3:12.09.
Yeah.
Got the grease.
Ain't nothing but worse than looking stupid on it.
Uh-huh.
Get out the way, Alex.
There's that first drive line. Oh, man. That's bad there, ain't it? 295.09. All right, he's going to get a second chance here. Let's see if he can work through it. That's a pretty cool truck. Well, he won't. Got underneath that turbo right there, dang it. Help. 292.